Welcome back. Today we are going to learn to spot the difference between little, a little, the little, and few, a few, and the few. This is going to be helpful for classes 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th, and all the competitive exams. So you are welcome at English for All Reasons Good. Now let's get started. So first, the difference between little and few. Now both little and few, they are quantifiers and their meaning is some, but they have a negative meaning. This is important. They are used to mean not as much as it was expected. So इनका meaning है ना के बराबर. So little, it is used for amount which is uncountable, and few, it is used for number that is countable. Like we can say little time, little water, and in this case we can say few books or few pencils, whatever. So number that is countable and amount that is uncountable. So little means not much and few means not many. So together both of them, little and few, they mean इनसिग्निफिकेंट अमाउंट और नंबर ना के बराबर. कोई भी चीज़ जो बहुत कम है तो उसके लिए हम लिटिल या फ्यू यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अगर वो नंबर है तो फ्यू यूज़ करेंगे, अगर वो अमाउंट है तो लिटिल यूज़ करेंगे. सो ऑलमोस्ट इनसिग्निफिकेंट, ये याद रखना है. जिस भी सेंटेंस में ये यूज़ होगा लिटिल और फ्यू, दोनों का मतलब होगा कि वो चीज़ ना के बराबर है. Now these are the examples. We have to hurry. There is dash time. So since it's written we have to hurry. So there is little time because time is uncountable. So there is little time. Then this cake isn't spongy. There are dash eggs in it. So eggs are countable. The cake is not spongy. That means eggs उसमें ना के बराबर है. So there are few eggs in it. So these are the two examples. Now in the first case, it means not much time, not enough time. And in the second case, it again means not many eggs or not enough eggs. So this is the meaning. Little and few, they have negative meaning. Na ke barabar, insignificant. Now we can also write these sentences as there is very little time or there are very few eggs in it. We can attach very with little and very with few to show that the amount or the number is very less or very insignificant. And other words that can do the same thing, they are so, extremely, to, comparatively, relatively, etc. So these are the words, if they are attached or if they are written before little and few, they will also tell or they will also mean insignificant amount. So इससे भी मतलब निकलेगा बहुत बहुत कम. So this is the meaning of few and little. Now next, a little and a few. Now a little, it is used in case of singular and uncountable nouns. A few is used in case of plural and countable nouns. अब दोनों का मतलब है पॉजिटिव आइडियाज. अब कोई भी चीज है वो पॉजिटिव आइडिया शो कर रही है, दैट मीन्स वो कुछ अमाउंट है, ना के बराबर नहीं है, वो कुछ अमाउंट है, इट्स पॉजिटिव. दोनों का मतलब फिर सम है, मतलब कि कुछ अमाउंट है, लेकिन लिटिल के केस में हो जाएगा अ स्मॉल अमाउंट और क्वांटिटी, वेयर एज अ फ्यू के केस में हो जाएगा अ स्मॉल नंबर. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस. इट बिकम्स पॉजिटिव. प्रीवियसली इट वॉज नेगेटिव, ना के बराबर, बट अ लिटिल और अ फ्यू हो जाता है कुछ अमाउंट या नंबर प्रेजेंट है. और अ लिटिल यूज होगा सिंगुलर अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स के लिए, a few use होगा plural countable nouns के लिए. So when we'll have examples, then it will be more clear. Just remember this is positive. Now here we have examples. I want to buy this bag. I still have dash money left in my wallet for after shopping. So the example says that I want to buy this bag. I still have dash money left in my wallet after shopping. So the person had been shopping and says that still there is money left in my wallet after shopping. So that means kuch amount hai. So we are using a little. So I still have a little money left in my wallet after shopping. Now, next is I love reading. I have dash books in my library at home. So now books in the library. So that means there are a few books. Library खाली नहीं है तो कुछ books तो हैं. So I have a few books, if not many, but a few. कुछ books तो हैं. So I love reading. I have a few books in my library at home. So a little और a few का मतलब है positive. That means कि कुछ amount है. वो ना के बराबर नहीं है. It is visible. वो आराम से पता लग रहा है कि ये amount है. Whereas little and few is insignificant. बहुत बहुत कम. Now next, fun with words. Now here, a little we have done, a few we have done. But now, अगर हम दोनों के साथ only attach कर दें, then what sense it will make? Only a little, only a few. Now हमने किया है a little और a few. They are positive. They show some positive quantity or positive number. लेकिन अगर हम इन दोनों के साथ only attach कर दें, so the meaning becomes thoda sa. Again, na के बराबर negative meaning. Only a little. बहुत कम. Only a few. So thoda sa, na के बराबर. So again, the meaning will become negative. Example. He splashed ink on him, but only a little fell on his shirt. So someone splashed ink, a lot of ink on him, but only a little fell on his shirt. So उसकी shirt पे लेकिन ना के बराबर गिरी. So only a little, again the meaning becomes negative. This box is very small. It can house only a few things. So the box is so small that it can contain very few things. So again it becomes negative. So you have to remember that if only is attached to a little or a few, then again the meaning becomes negative. Uska meaning फिर negative हो जाएगा. Another example, only a few of our customers have accounts here. So this sentence means कि बहुत कम customers का account है यहाँ पे. Maybe it is a bank or some other place. So only a few of our customers have accounts here. Now if I write quite a few of our customers have accounts here. So quite a few becomes positive कि काफी customers का account है यहाँ. Only a few is negative कि बहुत कम हमारे जो customers हैं उनका account यहाँ पे है. So you have to take care of the words that are attached before you take out the meaning of the sentence. So I hope it is clear. And now the little and the few. The little means small quantity but whatever exists. जो भी कुछ थोड़ा सा है. So whatever exists. The few means not many but all of them present there or in hand. So वही कि जितने भी हैं वहाँ पे. So they are not many. थोड़े हैं पर जितने भी हैं. So the little and the few. For example, he lost the little hope he had. So the meaning of the sentence is he lost the little hope he had. मतलब उसको कुछ hope थी, but वो जो hope थी he had lost that too. So कुछ hope तो थी हाथ में, but he had lost that. So he lost the little hope he had. So similarly here in this case, the few students left when the teacher began to teach. So that means there were few students present. ये नहीं है कि students बिल्कुल ही नहीं थे, ना के बराबर. There were a few students, but they left when the teacher began to teach. So this is the little and the few. The meaning of the little and the few is whatever quantity or number is present there. We are talking about that. उस quantity या उस number के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, उस number या उस quantity के साथ क्या हुआ. जैसे यहाँ पे the little hope उसके साथ क्या हुआ? He lost it. और यहाँ पे इस sentence में क्या हुआ? The few students, जो few students थे, they went out or they left when the teacher began to teach. So they're talking about the particular thing in hand or the particular quantity that exists. So this is the difference. So that's all for today. Do subscribe to my channel for more revision worksheets because after this I'll be now uploading worksheet number 2, which will contain exercise based on this and along with that on some other concepts. So check the playlist for more videos related to your syllabus and solve this grammar worksheet 1. So I hope that you will keep on solving, you will be watching the videos and you are going to score very good marks. So bye for now. Happy preparation.